Wearables in healthcare. Hype or hope?
Wearable technology, like smartwatches and fitness trackers, often promises to revolutionize healthcare. Many believe wearables can diagnose diseases, prevent health crises, and put medical control in our hands. But what can they really do, and which claims are just hype? Let's separate the myths from reality by looking at the facts behind these popular devices.
Myth: wearables offer medical-grade accuracy.
It's a common belief that wearables provide the same accuracy as hospital equipment. In reality, most wearables are not regulated medical devices. While they can reliably track basic stats like steps or heart rate, their accuracy often varies, especially for more complex measurements like blood oxygen or ECG readings. For medical decisions, professional equipment and clinical judgment are still essential.
Reality: early alerts and lifestyle insights.
Despite accuracy limitations, wearables can provide valuable insights. They help users notice changes in activity, sleep patterns, or heart rate, sometimes prompting timely medical checkups. While not a substitute for a doctor, these early warnings and encouragements for healthier habits can have real health benefits, especially in motivating people to stay active.
Myth: wearables replace regular doctor visits.
Many believe that tracking health data with a wearable means fewer trips to the doctor. However, wearables are not a replacement for professional health care. They can help monitor trends, but often miss underlying conditions or give false reassurance. Regular medical checkups remain essential, especially for managing chronic illnesses or complex health issues.
The real impact: empowerment, not miracle cures.
Wearables empower users to participate in their own health, offering useful feedback and promoting awareness. However, they're not miracle devices that can transform healthcare alone. Used responsibly, in partnership with healthcare professionals, wearables can be valuable tools, but understanding their limits and strengths is key for maximum benefit.